Kenny with One Source RV. Today I want to talk about a gear wrench, wideband heavy duty oil filter removal wrench. Absolute necessity in some cases. Today I want to discuss a special tool that I found that I needed to remove a stuck oil filter. It is a gear wrench, heavy duty wideband oil filter removal tool. Hopefully you've never needed one of these. I needed it because of this filter on a Caterpillar 330 diesel. I was using a standard adjustable oil filter wrench to get this off. Very limited space. As you can see, I was starting to kink the filter. I didn't want to puncture the filter and cause a leak and force myself into hopefully getting this off some other way. I tried large pliers, ended up having to buy this tool. It fits on there, 1/2-inch ratchet, and in my case an extension. Fits right in there. And you tighten it up. It has 3 inches of surface to grab the filter and not puncture or kink it. I had to use a breaker bar, but thanks to this gear wrench oil filter removal tool, I was able to salvage this filter and change oil in this rig. Thank you for watching.